Have you ever tried couscous pilaf? Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen. I really like this dish because it's a riff on your traditional rice pilaf, but with the wonderful texture of couscous. So for our recipe today, we have a handful of ingredients, some uncooked pearl couscous. Really recommend the pearl for the texture and the fluffiness. You can use the regular smaller couscous, but you're not gonna get that texture that we're looking for. A little bit of minced garlic, toasted and salted cashews, some lemon slices, and a handful of parsley. And obviously our salt and our olive oil. And most importantly, Haven's Kitchen, golden turmeric tahini. So we're gonna turn our Instant Pot on to the saute mode and let this heat up. So we're going to add a lug of oil. Now remember, our Instant Pot is on the saute function, and we're going to add in our minced garlic. Sizzle, sizzle. All right, so we're gonna saute our garlic until fragrant. And for this, we're just using a rubber spatula. Now that our garlic is nice and fragrant and it's nice and hot, we're going to add in our pearl couscous. And what we're going to do here is let that toast. It'll really be a nice, bring out a nice flavor. So we're gonna saute this for about a minute. We're gonna add in just a little more oil. Okay, so since our Instant Pot gets pretty hot, we're just gonna wanna constantly stir so that they toast and they don't brown or burn, because that flavor will come out when it's fully cooked. So now that our couscous is nice and toasted, we're gonna add in about half a pouch of our golden turmeric tahini, AKA sunshine. And we are going to mix this all together. Oh, wow. Smells so good. We're gonna add in our broth. Now we have our liquid pre-measured, so adjust everything accordingly. And we're gonna add a little salt in here. I happen to like salt, so for those of you who know me, I'll add in a little bit extra. We're gonna give it all a mix. Great, everything is in, we're ready to go. We're gonna pop this lid on. We wanna make sure that our pressure valve is in the sealed position. So we've let this cook now for 3 minutes, and then we let it naturally release for 5. Now we're going to release this valve to take out the remaining pressure. Let's pop this open and see how it turned out. Now we're going to fluff this up with this metal spoon. Get that all mixed in together. Wow, look at it, it's perfect. That was super easy, really quick, fantastic for a weeknight meal, or if you want to cook for a lot of people and entertain and impress. Again, my name is Courtney. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you want to cook this or any of our recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Have a good one.